Ciao, buongiorno. I'm Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina, and this week on our show, spinach frittales. That's what we're going to be doing. Look at what I got over here. Spinach. Look at the spinach. This is a whole pound. You need this much for what we're going to do. Spinach, I'll tell you, you put it in there, you think you got too much? Trust me, it cooks way down. Look at that. It's a ball of spinach. I went ahead, I let it cool, and I squeezed out all the water. Isn't that something? This is a whole pound of spinach. You believe that? Huh? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put this down right now. And I kind of open it up a little bit so we could go ahead and put all the ingredients in, okay? So we're going to go with some artichoke, carciofo, and then of course some red sun-dried tomatoes, pomodoro. We'll use that much right there. Then we're going to go over here to some bacon, some pancetta. And I love bacon, so I'm just going to put the whole thing in there like that. And then, of course, we're going to go ahead with the pancetta, and it's sour cream. And just a little bit of sour cream, because I'm using that for later, actually. But I wanted to put a little bit in there. Okay? Whoa, look like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and some pico de gallo, right? Just a little bit of that mixed in there, because that's going to go on top too. So we're just using a little bit. And the salsa, we're waiting on the salsa over here. So now what I do is I go ahead and I mix this up with some mozzarella. That's what goes inside here, mozzarella. So you go ahead and you mix this up like this. Keep it going like that, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and get the old tortilla. There it is. And I put it down. And I just go ahead and smash it out, just like this. You know, it's enough to make two. This is going to be wonderful. And then on top of that, I'm using the Monterey Jack. Just the Monterey Jack. And that goes on top of here, just like that. Okay? Only put the jack on one side. That way you kind of cut down on your cheese, you know. And you don't need that much because there's a lot of cheese in there. So then I'm going to go get the other tortilla back there. Okay? Okay, now we put that on there just like that. And then I'm going to put the lid on. We're going to keep an eye on this over here. And you stay with us, okay? All right, I'm going to flip it. Here we go. Oh, love that. Look at that. Okay, let's go look. All right. Oh, man. Turn it off. Very good. Let's pick it up out of here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this, okay? So here we go, folks. Ooh, listen to that crispiness. Oh, so good. Look at that. Look what's inside there. You see that? Oh, I love it. It smells great. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come on over just like this. This is how we're going to do it, you know? I'm going to show you how you present this baby, huh? I'm going to go over and get some sour cream. I'm just going to put it down on a couple of them, okay? So you put a nice dollop, like right in here. Oh, my goodness gracious. And I'm going to put that right on top, just like that. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Again, this is a medium salsa. What do you think? Spinach frittale, Vitos Italian Cucina, International. That's right. Pico de gallo, spinach. Woo, baby. Ooh, you're going to love this. And remember, you got some left over. So this is what I did today. It was a recipe for two of them. Arrivederci. Mwah. Ciao, amici. Si. Hee. Oh, boy, I can't wait to eat this thing. I'm going to take a bite right now. You mind if I do it on camera? Oh. Maron. Ciao for now.